Welcome! If you want your Facebook page to be more discoverable on the web, there's a new update you need to know about. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to allow search engines outside of Facebook to link directly to your page, all from your PC. This is a great way to boost your online presence and make it easier for people to find you even when they're not logged into Facebook. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into the account that manages the page you want to update. Next, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo. Give it a click. This will open up a menu with several options. From here, select Settings and Privacy. Once you click that, another menu will appear. Go ahead and choose Settings. Now that you're in the main settings area, look for the section called How People Can Find and Contact You. This is where you control who can look you up and how your page appears in search results. Scroll down until you find the option that says Allow search engines outside Facebook to link to your page. If this option is turned off, your page won't show up in Google or other search engines, which can limit your reach. To enable this feature, simply click the toggle so it turns on. You might see a confirmation pop up. Just confirm your choice. That's it. You've just made your Facebook page more accessible to people searching on the web. With this update, anyone can find your page more easily, whether they're using Google, Bing, or any other search engine. Remember, keeping your page discoverable is a smart move if you want to grow your audience or reach new customers. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.